You all know about electrochemistry and basic phenomena related with the electrochemistry. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the basic phenomena? What do you mean by the basic phenomena? Basically, we are dealing with, in electrochemistry, we are dealing with redox phenomena. Yes? Redox phenomena means gain and loss of electrons by like chemical species. Yes?
Yes.
Which is responsible for what? Electrical charge. Yes?
Yes, sir.
If we adopt a specific arrangement, then a specific redox reaction can produce electrical charge. Yes?
Yes, sir.
And which can be measured by specific instruments. Like if you want to measure electrical conductance of electrolytes, then you have to adopt conductometer. And if you identify the cell potential and potential of a cell you have fabricated or designed in your lab or laboratory in the college, then you have to adopt potential. Yes?
Yes, sir.